This mid-range phone is making waves with its killer specs and budget-friendly price tag. But is it right for you? Buckle up because we're breaking down 5 reasons why the Poco X5 Pro might be your next smartphone soulmate. Let's face it, nobody wants a laggy phone. The Poco X5 Pro packs the powerful Snapdragon 778G 5G processor. This beast can handle everything you throw at it, from smooth multitasking to running demanding games. Plus, with 5G connectivity, you'll be downloading files and streaming content at lightning speed. All this without breaking the bank. We all love watching videos and scrolling through social media, so a great display is a must-have. The Poco X5 Pro boasts a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display. AMOLED means deeper blacks, richer colors, and incredible viewing angles. And with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling and animations will feel incredibly fluid. Get ready for an immersive visual experience. Nowadays, everyone's a content creator. The Poco X5 Pro comes equipped with a versatile triple camera system on the back. The 108 megapixels main sensor captures stunning detail, while the ultra-wide and macro lenses help you capture the world around you in unique ways. And don't forget about the 16 megapixel selfie camera, perfect for capturing those epic selfies or flawless video calls. Running out of battery in the middle of the day is a major buzzkill. The Poco X5 Pro boasts a massive 5000 mAh battery, enough to keep you powered through all your daily tasks and beyond. Worried about charging time? Fear not. The 67 watts fast charging ensures you'll be back up and running in no time. It doesn't just tick the essential boxes, it delivers a feature-packed experience. From the sleek design and MIUI 14 for Poco software to ample storage options, this phone offers everything you need in a daily driver without the hefty price tag. The Poco X5 Pro is a seriously impressive mid-range phone with great performance, a stunning display, a versatile camera system, a long-lasting battery, and a loaded feature set. If you're looking for a phone that punches above its weight without breaking the bank, then the Poco X5 Pro could be your perfect match. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech reviews.